Number 15. This relates to our bell work today. Similarly, a grocery store has a 13% off sale on all bread. You decide to purchase 6 loaves of bread. Let B be the original price of a loaf of bread. Expand the expression 6 times the quantity B minus 0 and 1300ths B. Once the expression is expanded, what do the terms represent? This is the part that most kids would forget to do. So first we're going to expand the expression. So I'm going to come over here. Remember, today we talked about in our bell work, this is the original price and there's a discount. So we're going to be subtracting and we're going to take the price times the percent, which has been changed into a decimal. And we're going to, that's going to be our discount, and we're going to be able to subtract that from the original cost. And then we get to multiply that by 6 because we're buying 6 loaves, not just 1. So first I'm going to change this, and I'm going to apply the distribution. And I don't know my 13s, maybe you guys do. So I'm going to take 13 times 6, and that's 78. So that's going to be positive times a negative is going to give me a negative. I should have done that with the decimal point. You can see it's 78 hundredths. So this is my expanded expression. So I did that part. Now, once the expression is expanded, what do the terms mean? So 6b, make sure your b looks like a b and not another 6, or else it will look like 66. 6b is the original price of all the loaves. So then the negative 78 hundredths B is the total discount. For this sale. When you buy 6 loaves, this is the discount you're going to get, not just this discount. So this represents the total discount for the sale. Number 16. This is a common question. You're going to see this, a question like this on your test. So again, I would indicate that somehow in my little book. And we have a drawing to go with this one. A gardener plans to extend the length of a rectangular garden. So I'm going to highlight the original garden. And the original garden is right here. And they're showing it going off into the distance, so it isn't an exact rectangle. They're using, actually, what do they call that in art? That's when things disappear off in the distance. So this is my original garden right here. Let x represent the garden's original length. So x is the original length right there. And the expression 4 times x plus 7 represents the area of the extended garden. So let's talk about why this represents the area of the extended garden. Well, the original garden, if I'm just looking at this, the area is equal to length times width. And you can see that if this is my length, this is my width. So when I substitute in this for the length and this for the width, I'm going to get the area equal to x4, which is the same as 4x. Generally, the variable comes after the coefficient. So this is the area of the original garden because we took length times width. But we're extending that. We're extending it by 7 feet. Back here, the width is still going to be 4 feet. It's still going to be 4 feet. It's the length that we're changing. So now my new garden is going to be this dimension for my length. It's going to be my original length plus 7 feet. So my new dimension, my new length, is going to be x plus 7, because I'm adding that 7 feet on this side, which is my length. Well, I still use the same formula for area. Area is equal to length times width. So my new area is going to be this distance, which is x plus 7, times my width. And I can rewrite that because this is multiplying. This is one factor, and this is another factor. I'm just going to switch those around so it looks more like a familiar distribution expression. So all I did was switch these around. So up here where it says the expression 4 times x plus 7 comes from here. That represents the area of the extended or new garden. When asked for the area of the extended portion, this portion only, down there, the gardener incorrectly said it was 11 square feet. What do you think? What error did the gardener make? So when you look at the extended portion, you can see that this portion right here is 7 feet, and this portion is 4 feet. And the gardener incorrectly said the new area was 11 square feet. So I'm not going to give you the answer there. I want you to describe what you think the error was that the gardener made. You might want to first determine what the area of this section is. That might help you figure out what the gardener could have done. Area is always length times width. Always, 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 and forever. Amen.